I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your phone number on your Visa account can be a bit tricky, but it is straightforward once you know the steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the official Visa website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your current phone number handy for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Update your phone number. Find the option to change your phone number. Enter your new number and double check for any typos before saving the changes. Step 4. Verify your new number. After updating, you may receive a verification code via SMS to your new number. Enter this code to confirm the change. Note, if you don't receive the code, check your spam folder or ensure your new number is correct. Step 5. Log out and tests. Once everything is updated, log out of your account and log back in to ensure your new phone number is reflected correctly. I hope this guide helps you easily change your phone number on your Visa account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.